What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your default web browser to Google Chrome on iPhone 11 or any iPhone using iOS 14. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Go ahead and open up your settings, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down to Chrome, and then we're going to go ahead and open that up, and it actually should say something about default browsers, so that's not right. So let's go ahead and figure out what's going on. I'm going to go back up to general, let's see, and then I'm going to go to software update, make sure my iPhone is updated. Yes, okay, so iOS 14 is updated. Let's go to the App Store and make sure Chrome is updated. So let's wait for that to load, and so Chrome has not been updated, so let me go ahead and do that. So if you try and do this and you don't see the option to set default browser, then you need to update your Google Chrome. So now that it's updated, let me go ahead and go back to Chrome and select that. And there you go, guys. You can see default browser app. So I'm just going to go ahead and change that to Chrome, and I'm going to set Chrome as my default web browser. So now I'm going to go to my notepad and select this hyperlink for Google. And there you go. You see it has opened up in Google Chrome. So now I just want to see if I can request a desktop site. So I'm going to click the three lines and go to the bottom. And as you can see, by requesting desktop site, it gives you the view as if you were viewing it on a desktop. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Listen.